Welcome to students. Today we are going to discuss about the causes and effect of the noise pollution. Hello everyone, my name is Tejas Patil, Assistant Professor, Civil Engineering Department. In the last video lecture we have to discuss about the water pollution, sources of water pollution, next effect of water pollution and remedies of water pollution. In this lecture we have to see the noise pollution or related with the noise pollution point. Then, first is what is the noise pollution or noise? The word of noise comes from the Latin word major noise, meaning seasickness. It is the noise. It is the word coming from the comes from the Latin word. It is the Latin word the means as the seasickness. Next, sound that is unwanted or that disrupts the activity or balance of human and animal life is called as a noise. The sound that is unwanted or the disrupts of the activity or the balance of the human also as well as the animal life, it is called as noise. But when there is a lot of noise in the environment, it's termed as a noise pollution. But it is seen that where the lot of the noise is the environment or surrounding, that time it is known as the noise pollution. Sound becomes undesirable when it disturbs to normal activities such as working, sleeping, and during conversation. The extra sound or over sound, it is undesirable when the disturbing the to normal activities such as at the working, sleeping, during conversation, or where we have to see we cannot concentrate our work. That is, if we study at the exam time, that time we have to need the concentration to study. But in surrounding or in the outside of the outside, the extra sound or over sound is created. That time we cannot concentrate our study. And it is nowadays it is the biggest, or it is such as the issue of the noise pollution. Then we can reducing or controlling the noise pollution as compared to air pollution and noise pollution, water pollution easily. Next, it is an underrated environmental problem because of the fact that we can't see, smell, or taste. It is not a underrated environmental problem because of the we cannot this type of the pollution the easily see, smell, or taste, but we can hearing the sound. The noise pollution it is generally are created at the festival time, most of the festival time, or at the time of the marriage, or at the time of the any functions. That time the noise pollution will are created or forming. The World Health Organization states that noise must be recognized as a major threat to human well-being. Also, it is seen that the WHO stating about the noise pollution. The noise must be recognized as a major threat to human well-being. That is it's a major effect to human being. Then, what is the sources of noise pollution? The various sources of the noise pollution, such as is normally we have to say the horn, bike horn or car horn, or any uh, normal sound systems such as the tape, or also it is a railway, or it is a railway. Also, it is a noise pollution has created. Next, then we have to at the time of the as per the construction we have to see at the construction that the continuous work of the construction are done. That time the noise pollution also created, also highway works and etc. In we see the transportation system are the main sources of noise pollution in urban areas. We see that the heavy traffic or the at the time of the peak hour timing, we it is the scene that it's developed or created or forming the noise pollution compared to other, and it is a problem in the only urban areas, also in the rural areas. The construction of the building, highways and streets cause a lot of noise due to the uses of air compressor, bulldozers, loaders, dump trucks and pavement breakers also. At the time of the construction building, it is the continuous developing or forming the noise that it is irritate to human and also animals, and also it is the scene that at the time of the construction of highways or road, the continuous using of the air compressor, that is the dumper, bulldozer, loaders and pavement breakers, it's created the extra noise compared to the regular noise or normal noise. It is also seen that at the time of the formwork, in the construction, at the time of the formworking, the the mason or worker are continuously are hammering, or and when they at the slab time, that there are the continuous the generator are the working, that time also it is the created or forming the noise pollution. Next, in industry, noise also adds the already unfavorable state of noise pollution. In also we have to see that at the industry it is the most of the noise pollution created because of the machinery or equipment not in maintenance, good maintenance or regularly repairing, that cause the in industry areas the continuous noise are developed. The loudspeakers, plumbing, boilers, generators, air conditioners, fans, and vacuum cleaner add to existing noise pollution. The noise pollution are we have to see that as it is also outside and also inside. That is in outside we have to see in the loudspeakers, plumbing, boiler, generator. In inside we have to see in the continuous noise developing or created by the AC, fans, and vacuum cleaner. Also, TV sound or sound system. It is also created the or it is the sources of the noise pollution. Then, what is the effect of noise pollution on humans? The first effect is the chronic exposure to noise may cause noise-induced hearing loss. The first effect and basic effect is the we have to chances or possibility to noise-induced hearing the loss. Next, older males are exposed to significant occupational noise, demonstrate significantly reduced hearing sensitivity than their non-exposed peers. Second effect is unwanted noise can damage physiological and psychological health. Due to the noise pollution, it is the possibility or can be damage the physiological and psychological health. Noise pollution can cause annoyance and aggressions and hypertension, high stress levels, tinnitus, hearing loss, sleep disturbance, and other harmful effects. Also, it is the effect as the it is the annoyance and aggression or hypertension. It's and high stresses level, hearing the loss, sleep disturbance, and other harmful effects of the humans. Next, high noise levels can contribute to cardiovascular effects, and exposure to moderately high level during a single 8-hour period causes a statistical rise in blood pressure to 5 to 10 points and increase in stress and vasoconstriction, leading to the increased blood pressure noted above, as well as the increased incidence of coronary artery disease. It is seen that the to continuous high noise levels can be contribute to exposure in the high levels of the during the single 8 hour the period of the causes the rise in the blood pressure, and it is the effect from the, as the to having the blood pressure, it is increases the stress and disturbance to disturbance or not concentrated to concentration to the work done. Next, What is the effect of animals and aquatic life? First effect of noise can have detrimental effect on animals, increasing the risk of death by changing the delicate balance in predator and prey detection and avoidance, and interfering the use of sounds in communication, especially in relation to reproduction and in navigation. It is seen that it is noise pollution. It is not affected only human beings or human life. It is also affected the animals and aquatic life due to the heavy noise. The in the on the if its effect on the animals is the increase the risk of the death by the changing the delicate balance in the predator, and also he is seen that the interfering the use of the sounds, the communication, especially relation to reproduction and its navigation. That time the heavy or rise or heavy noise pollution, they cannot communicate with each other. That time it is a problem to relation to reproduction and navigations. Second impact or effect, an impact of noise pollution animal life is the reduction of usable habitat that noisy areas may cause, which the case of endangered species may be part of extinction. Noise pollution has caused the death of the certain species of whales that pitched themselves after being exposed to the loud sound of military sonar. Next effect. Some other effects on wildlife and aquatic animals are hormone imbalance. It is a effect of the aquatic life, the hormone imbalance, chronic stress, panic and escape behavior, abandonment of offspring, injury, increase in loudness of interspecies communication. It is the effect, some effects are seen that on the wildlife and aquatic life. Next, then how can we have to measure the noise? Then first, levels and decibel. The sound pressure of the faintest sound than the normal healthy individual can hear about the 0.0002 PA. The sound pressure produced by Saturn rocket as the lift off is greater than 200 PA. Even a scientific notation is the astronomical range of the numbers. To cope with this problem, the scale-based logarithm of ratios of the measured quantities used. Measurements of this scale are called levels. The unit of for this type of the measurement scales is Bell, which is named as the Alexander Graham Bell. Next, L dash is equal to log Q upon Q naught, where the L dash is the level bells, Q measured quantity, Q naught reference quantity, and logarithm in base. A bells turn out the rather large unit, so for convenience it is divided into 10 subunits called as the decibel. The bell turnouts the rather large unit, and so convenience to we have to divide into 10 sub-units. This sub-unit is called as the decibel. The levels of the decibel are we have to calculate. The L is equal to 10 log Q upon Q naught. We know that L is the levels, log is the logarithm base, Q is the measured quantity, and Q naught is the reference quantity. The decibel does not represent any physical unit. It merely indicates the logarithm transformation has been performed. The decibel it is nothing but the or it is not represents any physical unit, but it is the indicates that the transformation has been performed, which have the transformation, that is the at the time of the DJ we have to measure this transmission as a transmission of the decibel with the help of the decibel unit. Next, sound power level. If the reference quantity, that Q naught, is specified, that the decibel takes on the physical significance for noise measurement, the reference power level has been established as 10 raised to minus 12 W. The sound power level may be expressed as the LW is equal to 10 log W divided by 10 raised to minus 12. Next, sound intensity level. For noise measurement, the reference sound intensity is 10 raised to minus 10 W dot meter minus 2 raised to minus 2. Thus, the sound intensity level is as the Li is equal to 10 log I upon 10 raised to minus 10, and L is equal to 10 log alpha upon Q naught. The decibel does not represent the physical, but it is indicates the logarithm transformation has been performed. This is some level we have to identify for the noise capacity or noise level. Next, last is the sound pressure level. Because of sound measuring instruments measure the P rams, the sound pressure level is compute the LP is equal to 10 log into in bracket P rams bracket square divided by P rams to upper side 2 and lower side 0, which after extracting the squaring term is given as the LP is equal to 20 log in bracket P rams divided by P rams 0. The reference pressure has been established as 10 mu PA, that is a micropascal. The reference pressure has been established is that is the 20 micropascal. Next, this is a with the help of this measurement we have to checking the level of the we have to taken the taken the decibel of the sound pressure and the sound pressure level. You see that in the left side this is the sound pressure and this is sound pressure level. If the sound pressure is 20, that is level is the sound pressure level is 0. If sound pressure is 100, that is in 15. Is at the bedroom it is a range between the 20 to 30 decibel. In the bedroom or inside of the house, the sound it is created or it is forming the between the 20 to 30 decibel. At the in the library, it is the sound is created to 40 to 50 between the 40 to 50 decibel. Next is the conversation speech, that is in seminar or any workshop. There is a decibel or sound is created up to between the 50 to 60, that is the speech is 10,000. Here sound pressure is 10,000. Next, in the business office, it is seen that the sound pressure level is between the 60 to 70. In the business office or the commercial office, it is seen that the sound pressure level or is the 60 to 70 decibel. Next is the average street traffic. It is at the transportation or in the normal transportation traffic, it is seen that the 80 to 90 decibel. The sound is 80 to 90 decibel. When it is a heavy track, it's around 90 decibel are created noise. Next is the pneumatic cheaper power lawn mower. It is we have to cut this type of the lawn mower we use the to cutting the grass. It is the sound is a 90 to near about the or almost 100 decibels, and here we see that the 60 to 70 it is the normal conversation, and loud noisy voice must be raised to be understood that what is the effect in this right side. Next is the 78, it is the intolerable for the phone use. Next, at the when the it's near about 100 decibel, it is the difficulty to conversation and air protection required for sustained exposure. At the time of the we have to use the pneumatic type cheaper power lawn mower. Next, at the rock music, that is the live concert, we have to see that there are the celebrity or a singer or pop singer or any of the show, that there will be the created or forming the sound level is the 110 decibel. That's the effect is the sound can be felt threshold of the discomfort. You have to see that is a discomfort. This is a psychological problem. We not feeling the well or not feeling the relaxation. Next, in the almost in the rock music it is 10 lakh, sorry, 1 crore it is sound pressure are developed. Next, as the jet takeoff when the military area or the air air traffic or airplane area, the decibel is around 120 to 130 decibel are created. That's the it is difficult to sound can be felt the threshold of the is a discomfort, and also above 130 it is a 140 decibel the threshold of the fan. You have to fan, it is happen when we have to use the jet engine. But jet engine is passing from the 25 meter distance. There is created 140 decibel sound or noise. That this effect is the threshold of the fan. This is the all the sound measurement at the sound pressure level. In the sound pressure level, each and every 0 to 140 decibel we have to see, and what is the effect we have for the 0 to 40 or rising of the noise to human life or human being is here seen that is normal. We have to see in the living room no TV or radio is important, no TV or radio. It is noticeably quite it is is that time we have to concentrate our work and also relaxation, and we have to get the easily uh, we have to done our work without any disturbance. The next point is the controlling strategy or noise controlling strategy. We already seen that the causes of the noise and the effect of the noise, and now see the controlling of the noise strategy. So planting the bushes and trees in and around the sound generating sources is an effective solution for the noise pollution. The most important or we have to was use we done the work to planting the bushes and trees in the around the sound generating sources, and it is the effective solution or the better solution of the to controlling noise pollution. Second, regular servicing and tuning the automobiles can effectively reduce the noise pollution. It is the most important to regularly repairing and maintenance to the machines or also automobiles to which can we have to reducing the noise pollution. Next, buildings can be designed with the suitable noise absorbing material for the walls, windows, and ceilings. It is nowadays it is a fashion, or it is so is not so fashion, but it is the for the privacy purposes. It is we have to use the uh, absorbing material such as the walls, windows, and ceilings. Because of the outside sound, we prevented that this helper we have to outside sounds we have to prevent it out controller, and also we have to not passing the inside sound to outside. It is a helps better. Next, workers should be provided with equipment such as earplugs and arm pumps for hearing protection at the time of the manufacturing or the production. Also, it is a construction site. We have to provide the to workers to at the time of the working the earplugs and arms for the hearing protection. And similar to automobiles, so lubrication of the machinery and servicing should be done to minimize the noise generation. Next, soundproof doors and windows can be installed to block unwanted noise from the outside. It is also it is very useful for the soundproof the doors and windows we have to install to block the unwanted noise from the outside. It is this type of the doors and windows we have to see in the theater, because in the theater it is very important to controlling the or avoiding the outside sound in the inside and also inside sound to outside. Next, regulations should be imposed to restrict the uses of the place loudspeaker in crowded areas and also public places. We are to preventing the or restrict the to use usage of the playing the loudspeakers or high level loudspeakers in crowded areas or in also in public places. And next, factories and industries should be located far from the residential areas. That it is important. The factories and industry zones are we have to should be located far from the into the residential zones. That cause we have to controlling or we can not disturbing to the residential or human beings. Next, community development or urban management should be done with long-term planning and along with an aim to reduce the noise pollution. Also, it is the do the work of the local government also, that is the municipal corporation or Jilla Parishad should be done the long-term planning for the along with an aim to reduce this or prevented noise pollution in future. Next, it is most important. The social awareness program should be taken up to educate to public about the causes and effects of noise pollution. The any type of this pollution, it is only the solution is the awareness of the public. That is the we have to take on the either air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, or any other pollution such as the soil pollution or biomedical waste or sewage treatment. It's we have to need about the public awareness. It is the most important control strategy to awareness of the public or community. Okay, here we declare that this noise pollution point is the completed. The now here we stop. In next lecture we have to see the another pollution type. Thank you so much.